Good afternoon, Wreckers. I'm WeatherWatcher Bryant Skurbe, bringing you your Wednesday, March 12th, 2025 forecast. Here's what to expect over the next week. Mild temperatures today, which will persist into the early weekend time frame. But then on Sunday, we see warmer temps come in, but rain and a thunderstorm possible is on Sunday into Monday. And then warmer temps will persist at least into early next week. But right now, around New Brunswick, we're sitting at a nice 50 degrees with a few clouds in the sky. We also feel like 50 degrees due to our essentially calm wind that is going on outside, with keeping our wind chill pretty much on the low. But current temps around the state were cooler on the immediate coast, 54 in Cape May and 47 in Brigantine. But as you make your way inland, we're in the upper 50s to low 60s, with a 62 in Bridgeton and 58 in Cherry Hill. But we are a little bit cooler as we make our way into the northern part of the state, with 54 in Howell and 51 in Frenchtown. And then as you get into the northwest part, up into the mountains, 49 in Hackettstown and 50 in Lafayette. And we've been nice and have had nice weather, but the South isn't getting the same, with a slight risk of severe weather today in Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana, with a marginal risk making its way over into the Mississippi area. And that's fueled by wind shear, warm temperatures, and our humidity, which we see is definitely present in that area of severe weather. And as we look out west, just to touch on quick, they are projected to get a decent amount of snowfall and rain, and that is definitely being fueled by the moisture that is available out in that area. But as we get back into our area, we are still dry, which has been pretty much the same story since September, with our ongoing drought that we haven't been able to break. Relative humidity is up in the upper 20s to low 30s today, which has been pretty much the same story when we don't get precip. And that fire risk that we saw earlier in the week went away due to the winds decreasing, but that the brush can still catch up pretty fast. So just keep that in mind with our dry conditions outside. But looking ahead, we see clouds moving through the area with showers up north. They won't make their way down here, and we stay pretty much dry at least into the early part of the weekend. But clouds make their way into our area Thursday. Showers are along the immediate coast possible, but that's not our main threat. Our main threat is Sunday, but the clouds will persist into the weekend. Overnight tonight, expect 37 degrees with a few clouds, winds out of the east at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Expected to cool off pretty fast if we keep our winds down in that calm range until we get into the overnight hours, where the winds will start to pick up. Looking ahead, like I said, clouds move in Thursday, Friday, 52 to 57, and even a jump to 63 on Saturday. But then Saturday's cloudy, which leads into Sunday, where we see our rain move in and that thunderstorm possible. But we get up to a decent 70 degrees on Sunday. And then on Monday, we cool off a bit with rain early, which will taper off into the early afternoon. And then that warm temperature comes back Tuesday with 60, and nice weather on Tuesday and Wednesday with both sunny skies. 66 actually on Wednesday, coming back up into that. Thank you for listening today. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and YouTube at RU Weather Watcher, and have a great day.